Key assignments is a feature that lets you remap your keys on your peripherals with Corsair iCUE. You may also use hardware key assignments to do the same thing, except this allows you to save your profiles onto a supported device's onboard memory so you can take it wherever you go with systems that don't have Corsair iCUE installed. For a gaming peripheral such as a Corsair gaming mouse or keyboard, click on the Key Assignments tab. Then click the Add button to create a new key assignment. You can then select a key or switch on your peripheral to either remap it to a different key, activate an app, control media, or voice modding if you have voice mod connected. In the Hardware Key Assignments tab, the process is similar. You have the same available options as you do in regular key assignments, minus a few that are only natively available when iCUE is installed. For example, voice modding is not available in hardware key assignments. Corsair gaming peripherals that support hardware key assignments may support one or more hardware profiles. For devices that utilize hardware profiles, go to Device Settings, scroll down to Onboard Memory, and select a slot to either overwrite an existing profile or save a new one. This will save not just your hardware key assignments, but any hardware lighting settings you may have created for this device in the current profile as well. Once you've saved a hardware profile, you can now cycle between it and any other hardware profiles you may have saved to your mouse or keyboard when iCUE isn't running. And that's it. For more information about Corsair gaming peripherals or components, check us out at corsair.com. Thanks for watching.